Hello, today I'm going to show you a really simple tool, how to use a rotate tool to create something such as a flower. And first we're just going to grab our ellipse tool and we're going to make a shape. And I am going to actually pick a gradient out because I just really want to do this one time to show you how you can make a really pretty flower. I'm going to get rid of the stroke. Then I'm going to get the direct selection tool first, and I'm just going to hit the point at the top and the point at the bottom, which will give me some shape. You can always bring the shape of it down with the direct selection tool here and just shape it a little more. But for functionality, I'm just going to be showing you how to use this right here. The next thing we're going to do is just make a perfect circle. Just hold Shift and your ellipse tool. We're going to put this centered under it. And with our direction tool, we want to pick the petal. And then we're going to go over here to the rotate tool here on the left. And click that. And then on our circle, we're going to hit Alt, click. And this is going to bring up the rotate options, which of course the full circle is 360 degrees. You can do this over as many times as you want, 360 over 5, 10, 15, 20, depending. Now this petal is fairly large, so I'm just going to do it over 10. So 360 over 10. Make sure you hit copy, which you see is going to bring it over to the first one, and then simply Control D to complete our circle here. Now you can change this color here in the middle just to get a little more contrast. Oh, that was on the stroke. Make sure you're not on the stroke. Here, I'll pick this one right here as blue. So now you have all your petals. If you're happy with that, you can select it all and group it. What I like to do sometime, if you select it all on group, you can pick these individual petals and change the angle of the gradients on it for just so it shows more shadow or just the correct lighting angle. But for now, I'm just going to click, get it all and group it. And that's how simple it is to use the rotate tool, whether you're making a flower or something else that might be on a path.